So today is Osi and mine's anniversary. 3 years we've been married. My Osi boo boo.
Your Osi poo poo. I didn't poo poo.
So we just met a viewer. We're walking past to go to our car. Yeah. What was your name?
Mangi. Home Bush Mall here in Sydney, guys. With my little brother here.
What do you guys think of these glasses? Wow. We don't come up here often, guys, so... Osi's fan bams. Fun! Wow!
Sky Safari! Yeah, boy!
Hi guys, so welcome back to another day. Sorry for cutting you off, Molly. Molly's hair's not done, so she can't be in the video. Wait, let me turn this up. And we're having a sister day. We have these quite often, actually. Well, it seems like it, but we actually don't.
For my car park. We claim it in the name of Jesus.
And we're getting our hairs done, so might just get it thinned out. And we just finished the gym, guys. So I forgot to mention, we woke up super early today. We went to the gym, got that, you know, a workout done. I just want to show everyone my bag. So Sia bought half of this bag because I was like, I really want a bag, you know, like those mini bags, because when we go to Sydney, I just want to have my phone and some cards in there. I don't want to carry my whole handbag because then Osi's going to have to end up carrying it. And I just wanted like a side bag, and I love it so much. And my sister paid for half of it. I was like, oh no, that's too expensive for a bag. And she's like, no, get it, I'll pay for half of it. I was like,
you've got the slip and slide that you've had set up over the holidays.
And look, Molly girl is getting her hair cut. Did you guys just come from the gym?
Yeah. I train you talks. I train you talks.
Good evening. Oh my gosh. So I did cut my hair today. Really not happy with it because I said don't take length off it, and she took length off it and she like really thinned out the tips. But I wanted her to thin out this part because my hair is so thick. So I've been shopping all day. My sisters have been helping me buy last minute things for Sydney. We've got Georgie boy here. And now we're going to Osi'S because we love Osi'S. And Molly girl got her hair done. So these two got their hairs coloured, and because I'm going to Sydney, well we're going to Sydney, colour was not for my budget.
And my hair is not doing because I was fucking.
What are your budget? Your hair is in budget, you big liar. And here we are at Osi'S.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Molly, and we're back again with another video. So I got my hair done, as you can see, but I really wanted to sing you a song. Someone loves you, honey. No matter what, I just want you to be my man. Is that it? Why your girl looking so cute? Why your girl looking so cute? So guys, go and spam the comments if you want me to start my own channel. I want to see, if you want me to start my own channel, I want you to help me out. Tell me, what should I do? Should I be vlogging every day, or should I be like, do like a vlog of encouragement daily? Word of wisdom from the get-go to you know, you better go to the boot. I should be a rapper. Do you reckon, guys? Rap.
What is up, SV Squad? So today is Osi and mine's anniversary. 3 years we've been married. Osi!
What's up, guys? It's your boy Georgie. Today we are going somewhere because today is our 3rd year anniversary. So yeah, guys.
I'm just trying to get a good thumbnail, eh? You're too tall, Osi.
3rd year anniversary.
Oh my gosh, guys. So, ow. Okay, guys. So we're gonna go pick up Becca now, and I think he's waiting for us. And then we're gonna go to the Luna Park, or try to at least. I'm going to check if it's open today. If it's not, then we'll have to figure out a plan B.
Yeah. Day 2 here in Sydney, guys.
I can't believe on this day, 3 years ago, Ossie and I were either married or preparing to get married. My Ossie boo boo.
Your Ossie poo poo. I didn't poo poo. So yeah, guys. As we're waiting for Becca, he's ready now, but he's getting ready now. But Gus just finished gym, so we just come down here to have some breakfast before we're waiting. As we're waiting for Becca, so we here some breakfast with my poo-poo here. So yeah, guys, look, snacky girl, look. Oh, snacky girl. So yeah, we'll just wait for the breakfast. We already ordered, but just wait. I got the bacon and eggs roll, but she got nothing, just only green tea. Enjoy the week here in Sydney, guys. Can't wait to watch the Sevens on Saturday and Sunday. So peace, guys. Want to say something?
Face it to me then. So Ossie's looking at me like, what the hell, girl? I don't really know what to say. Actually, I'm going to prepare the Luna Park tickets. I'm going to go through them in my email. Because I bought after 4 p.m. tickets, we just got to pay a bit extra at the door so that we can go before 4. Because he's got a day off today. And we don't want to risk not going and then not being able to use the tickets for him. So I'm going to organize that now. We're still waiting for him. I just ordered a green tea, as Ossie said. Happy anniversary to me and Ossie. So we just met a viewer. We're walking past to go to our car.
Yeah.
What was your name?
Mangi.
Mangi, oh, so nice to meet you. He said that he watches our videos, so thank you so much for watching us when you do.
Yeah, of course, support all the way. Yeah. I love the show.
Any shout outs to your family that's watching?
Shout out to my wife, my daughter, and the family. And yeah, I love them so much. As you can see, I'm working so hard.
Yeah. Lots to lift.
Yeah, so I got all these workers here ready to unload from me, so I got heaps of workers.
Oh. Well, we won't take up your day.
No worries.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, you too.
See you later.
Yeah, guys, we just saw some of our viewers here in Sydney. So hope you have a good day, bro. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for everything, guys. Hope you have a good day, bro. Yep, guys. So we're here at the mall. What's this mall for?
Homebush.
Homebush Mall here in Sydney, guys. With my little brother here and my Snacky here.
Snacky. Guys, I am so excited. I bought myself a pair of shoes. I'll show you guys when I get home, but I'm absolutely in love with them. What do you guys think of these glasses? Have you been a naughty girl? These look like asses. Ossie, can you put this back, please? Thank you, Bubby. Okay, guys, so I had to put my hair up because it's getting really hot and we're walking around, which is pretty good exercise, but I wanted to show you guys what I bought from Platypus. I love them so much. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I love them so, so much. Honestly. Look how beautiful they are. They are so beautiful. So I'm waiting for Ossie and Becca because they're in Cotton On at the moment. Going around to the shops looking for shoes for Becca, like Adidas or Nike shoes. Then we're going to go to the zoo, guys. So that's going to be nice because I don't think Becca's ever been to a zoo before. But I'm just having a rest because I'm sick of walking. Oh, and I bought these super cool glasses, guys. I know we're meant to be shopping for Becca and I'm like bought already 2 things, and then Osi's meant to be buying some clothes because he had a big tanny this morning saying that he has no clothes. So these are the glasses that I bought. I've already got glasses, but you know guys, you gotta step it up a bit. I love them.
Yeah? Nice, yeah? Quite okay though.
I'm sure there's a barber down here.
Yeah guys, we just finished shopping. Go to shop here. Yeah, we just finished. We'll just go to for a barber shop.
You can ask someone.
Yeah, ask someone. Ask that man. Yeah guys, just go look for a barber shop to cut his hair. Now we're going now guys. So we're going to the zoo. We're going to the zoo?
Yeah. Well, don't we want to go and cut Becca's hair first?
You want to cut your hair first? Cut more molo here. Go also. Alright. See you guys. Peace.
Okay guys, so we are on our way to Taronga Zoo. We had a little detour to cut Becca's hair. Now he's looking schnacky. Joining the schnacky fam. And the traffic here is crazy. Like, do people here even work? Do they have jobs? Everyone's just walking around. She's so cute. And the traffic here is so crazy, guys. Look. Oh my gosh, I just dropped the... This does not look familiar to me at all. Wow, I don't even know what part of Sydney we're in. So we're on the way to Taronga Zoo. And it looks like New Zealand. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, the camera doesn't do it justice, alright? It's not as much as the naked eye. So you have to have a naked eye, okay? Osi, do you get it? Do you get it, Osi? Can you laugh, please? Oh, it's so beautiful. The architecture. Wow. We don't come up here often, guys, so I walked this bridge when I was in school. Yeah. Get in the left lane, baby. We came for our camp, school camp.
What's up guys? So we're here at the zoo, Taronga Zoo.
Is it tight?
Yeah.
Huh?
No, not really. What?
Huh? What do you say? Oopsie.
Hey!
Yeah? They said S-Bisqua. That is so weird. Alright, we're walking into the main entrance of Taronga Zoo, right? And someone keeps calling Osi's name. That is so funny.
Yeah guys, we're here at the Taronga Zoo here in Sydney. Yeah, some of our viewers passing us and call my name Osi.
A right attire if I had known that today was the zoo day. So we're walking through Taronga Zoo, and what do we see? We see a big dinosaur over there. It's very hungry. Very hungry it is. No, put your face. Sort. It's so hot, eh? Look at these big giraffes. Whoa. Wowee. So So over here we have Osi'S bro. Osi'S fam bams.
Oh, that's a really long fall.
Wow.
Yeah.
How cute. Wait, vai. Siaosi. Take a photo. Look how cute. They've shoved it in the thingy. And he's sticking his finger in there and eating it. Or she is, I don't know. Look at this guy. How cute. And look at that little baby one.
Rồi ngủ đó vào đây phăng như thế mà cụ đồng ngủ đấy xua cũng khi mấy vây đấy xua cũng à bà
Đâu sao vẫn mà đi xe
sao mình sẽ phăng như thế
Ôi cái gì
anh không mà đi đây thôi còn để aqua đâu cơ vậy ya cái đây đi đã
Level phía gì
level bằng phía quá ngắc chí với ya mà cô sẽ yêu kilo tách cả làm mẹ kilo tách cả lúc giờ chơi cái gì quick chơi cả oh lo me que for she I take care. Yeah, we're going back up all the way up there, the mountain. It's good to go this sky safari. Look like. Oh, so we're gonna go. My brother and my snacky girl here.
We're in the thingy now, and I'm so scared.
Yeah.
What am I doing? Look at the elephants! Cool! This is so much fun! Wow!
Going to the sky safari! Yeah, boy!
This is so cool!
Look at the elephant!
Wow! This is so much fun! Okay, I really need to stop talking. I put that up there. Guys, finally back at our hotel. I am so tired. And I feel so bad, but I had Hungry Jacks. I had a small meal and I felt like it was justifiable because I've been walking around all day. I did 10,000 steps. And then like I was so hungry. I didn't want to go looking for something healthy. And guys, look at my shoe. I love it.
Guys, I didn't get anything.
I love it so much. It's just like a tad bit too big.
Guys,
but that's okay. So Osi's just getting ready.
Ready for the battle.
Yep.
Battlefield.
Okay, so Osi got a purple and green and yellow. Oh, yep. Oh, yeah. Another one. Yep. Another one. Yep. Oh, yeah. That's nice.
And another one.
Yep.
Is that nice, baby? Or not?
I like it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. I want to laugh, but I can't laugh. Look how beautiful my shoes are. I love them.